Bros, how's it? Welcome back to the channel. Let's continue to speak about the Roberto Costa and Mamelodi Sundowns issues or Saga and more players that are involved in these things with Sundowns. They wanna push for exits, they wanna leave. Okay, Roberto Costa, apparently a club called Qatar SC offered the Mamelodi Sundowns an offer of 61 million rand and Sundowns rejected it. How much did Mamelodi Sundowns pay for Roberto Costa? How much did they buy him for? They bought him for 41 million rands. So in this deal, they were gonna gain 20 more millions. So 20 more million rands, and they rejected the offer. Apparently, they've raised the price tag Rebeiro to an unreasonable amount. So this clearly identifies or shows that they are blocking his move, because even in the transfer market his net worth is 2.5 million euro, which is approximately 51.1 million rand. So Qatar SC, by offering 61 million, that will mean they've offered even more the price of Roberto Costa. So Sundowns not agreeing to sell Roberto Costa to this club. This means they are simply blocking his move to this club. So the player is now pushing for a contract termination, and I do feel for him, as much as there are contracts that have to be honored and all that. But bro, Roberto Costa has done his part at Sundowns, in my opinion. He has performed well for them. Last season, I don't think it would have been that easy for them to win the league if Roberto Costa wasn't there, because 16 goals, 9 assists, 1 man. Bro, he was amazing. He has done his part. Now he has an opportunity to play at a bigger stage, at a club that will probably double or even triple his amount, his monthly salary. So why don't you give him that? Give him, bro. I know there's a contract in place and all that. You have to look at things both ways, from the player's perspective, from the club's perspective. I know they need him, but bro, this is enough money for you to even go and buy more players. Buy a player to replace Roberto Costa. You can do that. Let's be realistic, guys. This is a good offer for Roberto Costa, and the player has to grow. Sundowns on the other side, even if they were to keep Roberto Costa right now, bro, things have gone out of hand, because now you have a player that feels like you are blocking or stopping him from progressing in life. Do you think he's gonna perform the same way as he has been performing for you? So the Sundowns have to look at this like this. We have a good amount of money that has been offered to you. Take it. Go buy someone. There will always be someone there. Roberto Costa is good. It's not going to be easy to replace him. But bro, in my opinion, just let him go. Because Uzowenzani with a player that does not want to play for you, he's not going to perform the same way. 100% sure. Okay, it's the same thing with Khuliso Mudau. He wants to leave. 2 offers from Morocco were offered to Mamelodi Sundowns. Apparently they rejected them, and then there were other multiple offers that were offered to Mamelodi Sundowns by other teams for Khuliso Mudau, but bro, they don't want to let him go. Bro, Sundowns, you cannot keep players that don't want to stay. Let them go. You are big in Africa or South Africa, but at the same time, bro, you are not that big compared to the rest of the world. Teams that are overseas and all that, teams that can offer these players a doubled salary or even tripled salary. So it feels unfair for you to keep them at Sundowns, who want to keep them in Sundowns. I know you want to win the league, you want to win the Champions League and all that, but bro, let the players go to play at the bigger stage, at places where they're gonna get more money. I feel like if you are also getting good money for these players, it's fair. It's a fair deal. I'm sure for each and every one of these players, in Sundowns, there is no player that mhlambe bafumani offer that engagculisiyo, like you offer imali encane. Like, they are getting good amount of money for these players. It's just that they don't want to release them. They need them, I understand, but at the same time, bro, you cannot keep players who don't want to be kept. I mean, Kutlwano intwana encane ye-Sundowns also ucele i-request yokuthi amuve. There was a club from Portugal who was interested in him, but the Sundowns still, they don't want to let him go. Also, Ukutlwano, he wants to leave. Sundowns don't want to let him go. Shalulile also is the other one. Tapelo Maseko has been posting things, eyeing out a move also. He wants to leave, but the Sundowns is not entertaining anything. You gotta let one or two of the players go, bro. I know they are star players, but bro, you have to let them go when they don't want to be kept. That's my piece on this issue. If you're a Sundowns player or fan, hey bro, if you're a Sundowns fan, do let me know what you think in the comments. Do you think keeping players that don't want to be kept is the right thing to do? Do you think players that don't want to play for you anymore, keeping them will really help you guys? It's not going to help you, in my opinion. And it's going to bring, this saga is going to, bro, it's going to be such a mess if Sundowns continues to try and forcefully keep these players. It's going to be such, it's understandable when it's one player or maybe two, but when it's a lot of players that are wanting to leave the club, and then the club is over chaos, always in media, even the focus of the players that are at the club who are playing, who are supposed to be playing, who have no offers or maybe want to stay at Sundowns, they're gonna get distracted by this news because a lot is going on now. It's gonna be hard for Ukatoso na ukuthi akwazi ukugcina izinto in line, is in control and all that. It's gonna be hard. It's not gonna be easy, bros. This saga, this drama, you don't need it. You don't need it. You don't. So Mamelodi Sundowns have to let some players go. Let them players go, bro. That's my opinion. So yeah, man.